Hey there, tech-savvy folks! Today, we've got something essential for all you MacBook Air users out there: the Sourcena MacBook Air charger. If you're in need of a reliable replacement charger, you're in the right place. Before we dive into the details, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button below and ring the notification bell, so you never miss our latest tech reviews. Let's get started. First off, let's talk compatibility. It's crucial to know your specific Mac Air model, and this charger is compatible with a range of MacBook Air models. You'll find a list in the description below. Make sure to double-check your Mac's compatibility before purchasing. Now, let's get into the technical specs. The Sourcena MacBook Air charger takes an input of AC 100 to 240 volts and has an output of District of Columbia 14.85 volts lit as 3.05A. That's a maximum power output of 45 W, providing you with the juice you need to keep your MacBook Air running smoothly. One of the standout features of this charger is the magnetic 2T-shaped connector. It's not only practical but also helps prevent accidental disconnections. Plus, it's a breeze to connect and disconnect from your MacBook Air. Here's a nifty feature: LED indicator lights. An amber light lets you know your notebook is charging, while a green light tells you that you've got a full charge. It's a small touch, but it's incredibly convenient. Speaking of compatibility, this charger is compatible with a range of MacBook Air models, including the 11-inch and 13-inch versions from mid-2012 to 2016. It's a versatile charger that covers multiple generations of MacBook Air laptops. Last but not least, let's talk about service. Sourcena offers excellent customer service with a 24-month warranty. That means you've got peace of mind, and if you encounter any issues with the product, they're ready to assist you promptly. Wrapping it up, the Sourcena MacBook Air charger is a reliable replacement charger for a range of MacBook Air models. It's got the power, compatibility, and convenience you need. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. And, as always, don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and insights.